Now we already load 450 pieces pallet. Later we will put a hydraulic dish on the control box. Hydraulic dish on the control box. Now we already load 450 pieces pallet. Hydraulic dish and control box and 2 extra moves. We load a stacking machine into the container. Now we already load stacking machine 450 pieces pallet. Control box, hydraulic dish, 2 extra moves. Load QT4-18 block machine into container. Trolley wheels, toolbox, mixer leg and rear wheel. Legs and rear wheel we put on the side of house block machine. Now we load the mixer into the container. We just load the mixer into container. Over there we put block machine, toolbox, tube and other parts. Then in the bag it is the parts for conveyor. And in the hopper we put trolley wheels. Inner side we put house block machine, stacking machine, mixer legs, and hopper rear wheel, and 450 pieces pallet, hydraulic dish and control box, 2 pieces extra moves. Later, now we are really load conveyor frame, conveyor hopper, conveyor legs, 200 pieces pallet, block receiver. Later we will load in conveyor belt, conveyor trolley. 2 pieces trolley we load here. Now we load the last three pallet packages pallet. Now we load the last packages pallet. Then we will finish to load the container. Last packages pallet. Okay, finish. Mixer water pump here and tube here. 关就行。啊。